Have you ever wondered how to earn money online? Well, there's no magic formula, but with a bit of knowledge, some hard work, and a dash of creativity, it's entirely possible. Step 1. Start a blog or a website. This is a platform where you can share your thoughts, ideas, or expertise. It's your own little corner of the internet where you can build an audience and establish a personal brand. You can monetize your site by placing ads, selling products or services, or even offering online courses. Step 2. Become an affiliate marketer. This involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for each sale or click that comes from your website or social media platform. It's a win-win situation. The company gets to increase their sales and you earn a passive income. Step 3. Try selling products online. This can range from handmade crafts to digital products like ebooks or online courses. You can sell through your own website or use online marketplaces like Etsy or Amazon. Step 4. Offer your skills as a freelancer. If you're a writer, designer, programmer, or have any other marketable skill, there are plenty of platforms like Upwork or Fiverr where you can offer your services to clients all over the world. Step 5. Get into dropshipping. This is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This means you don't have to worry about stock or shipping, you just focus on selling. Now, it's important to remember that earning money online isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, persistence, and a lot of hard work. But with the right mindset and strategy, it can be a viable and profitable way to earn an income. To summarize, you can start earning money online by starting a blog or a website, becoming an affiliate marketer, selling products online, offering your skills as a freelancer, or getting into dropshipping. Each method has its own set of advantages and potential challenges, but with a bit of research and planning, you can find the one that suits you best. Remember, the internet is a vast and ever-changing landscape. The opportunities are endless, but it's up to you to seize them. Don't be afraid to try new things, learn from your mistakes, and always strive to improve. In the world of online earning, there's no such thing as a dead end, only new paths waiting to be explored.